How to fix Instagram glitch on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on Android or iOS phone. First, open settings and then go to storage. Now click clean up and clean some space. Just clean junk files if you found it here, and or you can just clean it from your gallery. Just delete some photos and videos, and now go to Play Store and make sure your Instagram is updated. Just see if there is any update here, and then click on it if you found it. And now restart your phone and try again. And if that doesn't fix your problem, go to settings, apps, and apps again. Now click Instagram and then force stop and go to storage, clear cache. And if that doesn't fix it, click clear data and click OK. And that's it. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.